4-high bin stacker with scale. Each individual bin of apples is weighed at this point. Okay, next we are here looking to take the apples from the bins through our water flume conveyor. We're going to begin the cleaning process with heated chlorinated water, and we're ready for cleaning and waxing. We bring the apples out of the water onto a roller conveyor. The intent here is to provide even spacing for the cleaning and waxing process. Next step is our spray bar, where we apply food grade soap to get the apples nice and clean and free of orchard residue and any other debris that we may pick up from the orchard. Run the apples underneath a shear fan to dry the apples completely, so now that they're clean and dry, they're ready for wax application. Wax applicators have sensors on them to apply just the amount of wax for a shiny, marketable apple. After applying the wax, we run the apples through a 55-foot dryer to make sure that the wax is dried for the next process. This process here has 3 18-inch sorting tables where we hand sort the obvious blemishes and defects. From these 3 sorting tables, we now converge these 3 lanes together onto a singulator and into our 6-lane compact color and size sorter. We now apply an individual sticker to each apple to identify the variety for the consumer. There's 57 drops that the cameras will determine the final destination of these apples. The workers are placing the apples in the trays in a uniform and consistent manner. So the worker here is taking the domestic trays and placing them in a volume bushel, which is approximately 40 pounds in weight. Not all apples are put in tray packs, some are put in bags. Poly baggers will weigh the specific weight desired and gently place them in a poly bag and lower them down onto a conveyor. We are now ready to stamp and weigh every single individual box, insert a pad, and now tape the box shut for segregation. Here we combine like sizes and grades. We're now ready to go into inventory to be sold to the final consumer. We now move this fruit to storage, ready to be shipped to one of our customers. Thank you for visiting our packaging facility.